Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to open ZIP files on your Android phone. So to do this, first let's go to our file manager. So just look for it and then locate the ZIP files in your file manager. So since I have my ZIP files on my archives, so I'm just going to tap on it and then I'll be able to see all of my ZIP files here. So in order to open this, okay, let's tap one of this and then tap on the extract files to and then choose a storage of your file and then click on the more option at the bottom right corner and then click on create folder and then create a name of your folder, so for example SIP file, and then let's locate that folder here and then extract your ZIP files here and then you'll just have to tap on it and then you'll be able to see the different apps where you want to open your ZIP files. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.